All right, so the resistor here is really just, used to set your LED current. Okay, and it turns out it's not a particularly good idea to drive LEDs with GPIOs directly because GPIOs are not intended to provide or absorb large currents. So they are better suited just to provide control signals like high and low logics. So according to our data sheet, the max current per GPIO is 50 milliamps. And the total current is also 50 milliamps across all GPIOs. So there's not a lot of current that the GPIOs can provide. So it's not advisable to directly drive the LEDs using GPIOs. Instead, we are going to use GPIOs just to provide control logic, and we are going to use a switching circuit. So a switching circuit is essentially a switch that can be turned on and off electrically, and that typically consists of a transistor, like a bipolar junction transistor, BJT. So what happens in this switching circuit here is that your GPIO, you can use your GPIOs to provide a high or low control signal. Then it turns the BJT on and off. And the beauty of this thing is that for the GPIO, you only need a very small current to turn the BJT on or off. But in your main circuit, you can have a large current. So, by using a switching circuit, we are decoupling control signal and power delivery. So this is your switching